Long COVID. What is it? Long COVID is a serious, chronic, systemic disease state that occurs after a COVID-19 infection that can be disabling or fatal. Long COVID can involve persistent symptoms, new-onset medical conditions, exacerbation of pre-existing conditions, and systemic disease impacting every organ system. Long COVID has also led to death for thousands. It can follow mild, moderate, severe, or even asymptomatic COVID-19 infection and affects individuals of all ages, including children. The leading mechanistic driver of long COVID is theorized to be viral persistence triggering persistent immune activation. Several other mechanisms, or a combination, may be responsible. Research is underway. Over the last 6 years, the use of varying definitions and inclusion criteria proved detrimental to the progression of research and clinical care. Adding to the bias in long COVID research, there are very few control, or COVID-negative, populations, especially due to the number of asymptomatic infections and lack of testing and reporting. Together, these factors, along with barriers to research access based on location, disease severity, or financial constraints, will continue to distort and limit the completeness of long COVID data. The utilization of a consistent, consensus-driven, unified definition rooted in peer-reviewed science and lived experience is the first step to correcting this process. Use of a unified definition strengthens awareness, education, reporting, and clinical documentation. Strong documentation produces reliable data, which informs policy decisions, directs resources toward urgently needed research, guides public health communications, and improves clinical care delivery. We will continue learning about the impacts of COVID-19 infections and long COVID for decades to come. It is important to be able to adapt and accept changes to our understanding of this disease over time, and be able to quickly disseminate learnings and training. We are all one infection away. Learn more about long COVID at longhauler-advocacy.org.